Students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. On last day, we have learned many topics that were related to. In third chapter, we have learned operating a computer, and in this topic, we have learned starting a computer, parts of the desktop, shutting down a computer, and after that, we have learned handling a mouse and touchpad. And in this topic, we have learned computer mouse, actions, and touchpad. And after that, our chapter was more on MS Paint. And in this topic, we have learned the paint window, pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, color picker tool, text tool, brushes tool, drawing shape, saving a drawing, opening a shape drawing, and closing pen. And after that, we have learned more on text pen. And in this topic, we have learned starting a new drawing, lines tool, shapes tool, next tool, magic tool, saving a drawing. Okay, and now we were revising chapter 2, parts of a computer, and that is, in this topic, we have learned parts of a computer. And you know that our body has different parts to do different work. We write with our hand, walk with our legs, see with our eyes, and so on. In the same way, a computer has various parts to do different work. A computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. All these parts are connected by wires. Let us learn about this part one by one. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It can display words, images, and videos. A monitor is also called a visual display unit, that is also called VDU in short form. CPU. The CPU cabinet contains the central processing unit. It controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Pressing these keys help us to type words and numbers on a computer. Mouse. A mouse helps to point, move, and select an object on the monitor. A computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is also used to play games and draw pictures. Info box. Nowadays, wireless keyboards and mouses are also available. They are connected to the CPU cabinet through wires. Apart from the four main parts, a computer also has some additional parts. These are separately connected to the CPU through wires. Printer. A printer is used to print a copy of the information stored in a computer on a sheet of paper. It can print both text and pictures. This printed copy is called a printout or a hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music, sound, and other sound effects stored in a computer. Headphones and microphone. Headphones are used when a single person wants to hear the sound or music. They are plugged into the computer through wires or wireless. A microphone is used to record different sounds and your voice into a computer. UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. A UPS keeps a computer running for a short time, even after a power cut. Hard disk. Whatever you save in a computer, it gets automatically stored in its hard disk. A hard disk is like a small box inside a CPU cabinet. A hard disk can store a large amount of data. Info box. Apart from the fixed hard disk, there are hard disks which you can carry around. Such hard disks are called external hard disks or portable hard disks. CD, DVD, and pen drive. CD, DVD, and pen drives are used to store a lot of information. These devices are also used to transfer data from one computer to another. These devices are easy to carry due to their small size. Pen drive is a very small device. It is also known as flash drive. So now there are some doubts also given here. So we have to clear these doubts and solve this. A monitor is also known as there are three options: VDD, BDU and VDU. You know that the monitor is also called VDU, that is visual display unit. A monitor is also called a visual display unit. So the correct option is option C, VDU. Second, which of the following is used to hear sound stored in a computer? You know that there are three options: A, printer, B, speakers and C, CPU. You know that in this there are speakers are used to hear sound stored in a computer. So the right option is speakers. Option B is right option, speakers. On third, a pen drive is also called a pen drive is also called you know that a pen drive is also called option A, fire drive, option B, flash and option C, flash drive. You know that the right option is flash drive because a pen drive is also known as flash drive. So the C option, option C, flash drive is right option. Question number 4, which part control all the other parts of a computer? Which part controls all the other parts of a computer? You know that the CPU controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. So there are three options: A, CPU, B, DVD and C, headphones. And you know that CPU controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. So the option A is right option, CPU. Now fill in the blanks. Question B, fill in the blanks. There are hints also given: CPU, hard copy, UPS and headphones. Or dash runs the computer for a short while even after a power cut. You know that a UPS keeps a computer running for a short time even after a power cut. So there will be UPS, and a full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. Question second, the printed copy is called. The printed copy is called. You know that a printer is used to print a copy of the information stored in a computer or a sheet of paper, and a printed copy is called a printout or a hard copy. So there is hard copy, so there will be hard copy. The printed copy is called a hard copy or printout भी कहा जाता है. On third, dash are used to listen to sound and music. You know that the headphones are used when a single person want to hear the sound or music. So the headphones are used to listen to sound, music. On fourth, that is inside a cabinet. You know that CPU is inside a cabinet. You know that the CPU cabinet contains the central processing unit. And now you have to come on write T for true and F for false. A pen drive is used to store a lot of information. A pen drive is used to store a lot of information. You know that the pen drive are used to store a lot of information, and these devices are also used to transfer data from one computer to another. So that is true. A pen drive is used to store a lot of information. That is true. A printer is called a pointing device. You know that the printer is used for printout, for any printout. So the mouse is called pointing device, not printer. So that is false. Mouse is called a pointing device, not printer. Third, a mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. You know that the mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. A mouse helps to point, move and select an item object on the monitor. Okay, so that is true. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. That is true. Question 4, a standard keyboard has 104 keys. That is also right, because you know that a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Now that is true. Now come on, answer the following question. Which devices are used to store and transfer data? Name any three of them. Which devices are used to store and transfer data? Name any three of them. You know that the CD, DVD and pen drive are used to store and transfer data. Okay, so the answer is CD, DVD and pen drive are used to store and transfer data. Second question is, name any four parts of a computer. You know that the four main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Question third, which computer parts help you to listen to sound? You know that the speakers and headphone help you to listen music or sounds. So let's revise one time again. Which devices are used to store and transfer data? Name any three of them. CD, DVD and pen drive are used to store and transfer data. Name any four parts of a computer. The four main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Which computer parts help you to listen to sound? Speaker and headphones help you to listen sounds. Okay. Now you have to do chapter 4, chapter 2 in your CW copy, that is exercise ABCD in your CW copy, and also complete in fair copy. Thank you.